Okay, so how are you, ma'am? How have you been today?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing wonderful, ma'am. Everything is hanky dory. Yes, it's a wonderful. And I don't have any kind of problem. Okay, I don't have any kind of complaint for our God. Yes, I'm satisfied and I'm happy in my life.
Right. We
What
always
about
be
you, ma'am?
happy. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I am also good and conceptually well, and everything is doing well. Mm, sometime we are facing like we are a human being, so natural life is not going well properly every time. Some kind of hurdles and obstacles we have to face. This is the life.
Yeah, every day,
Some
ma'am.
ups and
Every day,
downs is
different kind
going
of
on.
challenges. Yes, it
So
is. You
are
can
you
say in
ready
our
for my funny conversation a bit? I would like to
yeah.
one question. Uh, if you were if a pizza could talk, what would you think it would say to people? What would say to people if pizza could talk? What do you think
Yeah.
it would say to people? It's like a
Then
funny question.
pizza definitely. Okay, pizza definitely ask. Okay, we'll ask. Uh, so like, why are you feeling interesting? It's very interesting nowadays. People they want to have most of the time pizza and burger. So definitely, it will like he will ask a question. So why are you feeling interesting? Okay, after having me, why are you getting interest? Yeah,
Yes, because pizza,
please
first of
tell
all,
me.
pizza is a junk food and everybody like it.
Yeah,
Everybody likes it to having
yeah,
pizza and burger. So
yeah.
it always we always ready to having pizza or burger. So it is a very remarkable and tasty food, scrumptious food, I would say, for the kids as well, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, my next question is
Kids always
if
think
you
that.
were if you were invisible for one day, what funny thing would
Mm.
you do in your family? What your family members would think about you? Where is my mama? Where is my wife if you were invisible for one day?
So definitely they will get shocked. Okay, ma'am, shocked. Because like we are ladies, you can say. So that is why we are only we accommodate everything in our home, like household chores and taking care of our children, or so many things you can say, cleaning work and so many things. So you can say we are prime minister at our home. Definitely they will get shocked. Okay,
Yes,
after vanishing.
because homemaker we are the homemakers of course every task we have to do on time. So right, so many work
Yeah,
are there which are matlab, like spread here and there because we are the
yeah.
queen of our house, right? And the house
House, yeah, ma'am.
holding we have a like a queen or the family is like a kingdom for us and
Yeah, yeah,
um,
yeah, yeah,
we are a great warrior. We are a great
yeah,
warrior for our children, for our family members. So we are the most important.
yeah.
We cannot visible anywhere. Okay, so
Yeah,
right.
even sometimes we are not happy or we are feeling sad. Okay, we feel sad, but we don't want to make them. So we are not happy. We feel sad because of something, some reason. So definitely, like being a ladies, we have good responsibility. You can say we are warrior. Okay, every day we have to face different kind of challenges. Yeah,
Every day and
and
every
ma'am,
single
like I
minute.
am doing my own business also.
Okay.
So definitely my client also they will get shocked. Okay. So ma'am, like where is ma'am? Without asking, okay, she has gone and she has vanished. Okay. So
Oh,
people they don't know, definitely they will search.
okay, ma'am. So please introduce
Yeah.
yourself. We are meeting very first time. So please could you introduce yourself a bit for my audience?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for asking. My name is Ranjana Srivastava. I'm from Delhi. I'm basically from Bihar, but after getting married, I moved in Delhi. It's been 25 years. So you can say now I am married lady. I am mother of two kids. I am doing my own business. I have a ladies boutique. One-stop solution I have. And moreover, I am a YouTuber too. If you talk about my hobby, so I am fond of cooking. I am fond of spirituality things. Yeah. This is all about me, ma'am.
So you have carried your own boutique, right?
Yeah,
Okay. What kind of dresses you stitched?
every kind of, ma'am.
Okay.
Every kind
Ladies
of
and
like
ladies, male and
traditional.
female both.
Most of the time, traditional. No, not male, only female.
Okay, okay. So suits and
Ladies boutique.
lehengas, everything.
Yeah, lehengas, gown, sarara, kurti, peplum, everything.
So you have to make yourself, prepare yourself all the stuff or outfits.
No, ma'am. I have tailor and I have girl also. I have designer tailor also. They have to like they have to tackle everything. Okay, I have to guide them only.
Okay, you supervise them. In your supervision,
Yeah.
you are doing this job, right? You are doing your business,
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So shall I
Earlier, I
introduce?
used to cut, but nowadays I have left this because of you can say some problem. So if like I have been like I stand so many times at the same times, like 4 5 hours, so I feel problem. Like I'm suffering from leg pain. Okay, so that is why nowadays my like doctor prescribed me. So no, you don't stay 4 5 hours. Okay, in like at the same you can say position only stand okay for standing. So then I have left and only my tailor they cut and stitch.
Okay. So it's a nice job or you carry on your business. So this is a good job for you. If I talk about myself, as you know that my name is Monica and I am from Madhya Pradesh,
I
Gwalior.
forgot.
Yes, if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters and B.Ed honors, and I have been working in the teaching field since 2010, and I am very fond of reading, writing, dancing, and especially for teaching the kids and senior
Okay.
classes also. I always become a passionate learner for myself and motivational speaker also. And I would like to suggest everyone if they have spare of time in their life, so they go through reading and spiritual books they should read for your
Yeah,
peacefulness and for your peaceful mind and relaxing your mind in a day, right? Especially for the homemakers, they are very busy schedule every day, so they have to learn. And before 6 months ago I started my channel, my YouTube channel, and it is growing nicely so far, I would say. And
okay,
I am a teacher also. So whenever I get time, I would love to connect different people. That's all
okay.
about me.
So ma'am, you are a teacher. Are you teacher in private sector school?
Yeah, in private sector. Yes, I am teaching.
Oh, and which class do you teach, ma'am?
Actually, 10th and 12th English. I am teaching English, 10th standard and 12th
Okay,
standard.
okay, good to know.
Yeah.
So yes, earlier I was a teacher in private sector school, ma'am. But nowadays I started teaching only spoken English classes, like only for beginners.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
I
two
also thought
hours.
that open my private institute for spoken classes for this year onwards. I have I thought before some time, but now I am mentally prepared. I have to open my institute as early as possible so that I can also serve uh, my best services to my students regarding
Yeah,
spoken classes, regarding which those students who are very need, they have plenty of needs for speaking actually, because this language is
Yeah.
very necessary. This is our global language also. So I would say everybody should be master over this language. What would you say? What
Yeah,
is the
ma'am.
importance of this
Yes, ma'am.
language? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, you are saying right. I totally agree with your point. Nowadays, it's global language, and everyone should learn this language. It's a very necessary for them. I feel it's a compulsory because if you go to like for job and for any other classes, you can say after 12, people always they get trouble. Okay, while learning English. So that is why English learning it's a very compulsory for everyone. I feel and. You can say in this way they can enjoy they can know so what is the importance of English learning and if like they can go through with other country or something South India or here and there they can communicate with other people. Okay, they don't feel like humiliation, so it is good for all.
Because I
Yeah.
can change. I totally change when I started this my YouTube channel. Actually, you have to wait 1 minute. There is a urgent call from my side. Yeah,
Yeah,
we
ma'am,
continue.
I'm here.
Yes, yes. So,
Yeah.
when what we have discussed?
Yes, that time we discussed so like what is the importance of English learning, like
Yes,
English language. So everyone should learn this language. It's a very compulsory for them, I feel, for all. Okay, now, ma'am, this is not, you can say, this is not language, this is skill. So we can change our personality after learning English, I feel. And we can get confidence. We feel like strong, we are strong in front of other.
yeah, we feel strong, as well as we feel like a English language is our familiar language. When people uh, talk to someone first time, so we are not in their in our comfortable zone. But when we are habitual of this language, so we are aware fully. We always said others that you should speak in English and you should practice every day. But it is possible. Practicing it is possible, because only 25 minutes or 30 minutes of 1 hour you can take out from your busy schedule. Everyone have,
Yeah,
I think. But somehow you cannot do this process. So whenever you face any kind of interview, and any business interview you faced, so make some you hurdles, you always
yeah,
fumble while speaking. So that is the
yeah,
one
ma'am.
reason, that is the one reason also English language gets we faced some obstacle, or we are facing nowadays. And uh, tell me about your English journey. How have you been started your journey on YouTube channel?
Okay, YouTube channel, you can say maybe 1 year completed, but I have been learning this language for 2 years. You can say, ma'am, it is about to complete 2 years. So yes, when I started my spoken English journey as well as I started my spoken English classes because, ma'am, like I know very well that time, so I can handle my students. Okay, earlier 3 to 8 students only I taught, and nowadays I have changed my students. You can say they are working or they are homemaker. Some they are pursuing also pursuing like BSc, BA. Yeah,
Okay, so you ever taught in a school, in a private school?
yeah, yeah. I taught in school, private sector school.
Okay, so which subject is your favorite subject?
SST, ma'am. SST, it's my favorite subject.
Okay. So you have done
Yeah.
masters over this language, over this
No,
subject,
ma'am.
sorry,
Only no, no. I have done BA from history honors.
from his pupils. Right. So,
Yeah.
what do
Not
you
master.
feel in when if you are a teacher in a school, and you have to teach English only? So, what is the way, or what is the method you would apply for the students, for teaching them English, especially for the
Okay.
primary
English
section?
also. primary section, definitely I'll make them comfortable first of all. After that, I would like to know about them. So what is their level first of all, what they are, what they know or what they don't know. Okay. After that, I would like to start from, you can say, their like you can say primary. I have left, okay, before 9 years, so I feel problem while discussing these things. So you can say, ma'am, English language, not English language, English subject. About English subject, you can say only literature. Okay, we teach in class. But if you talk about spoken English, so it is a very different thing. Yes, both are different,
Yeah, at
I
the
feel.
primary level,
So,
initially stage, if I talk about initially stage of spoken classes, it is a bit difficult. So how can you handle not the
like you
teaching?
are asking
Yeah.
about spoken English,
Uh, no, no,
spoken
no.
English or
Primary
literature?
level student, as a school teacher, I asked you.
Okay.
But okay,
Yeah,
and
as a school
nevertheless,
teacher.
I have to
First,
change
I'll
my
ask,
question.
ma'am.
Yeah,
No, no,
I have to change my.
I have to ask, ma'am. First question. So, like, what is their level? Okay, like, how are you, or
Just
what's
one
your
minute, man.
name? Yeah, we were discussing that time. So, what would I ask? Okay, would like to ask from children. So, yes, definitely, I'll ask first, like, please name of like five fruits, or what's your name? In which class do you read? This kind of question, like simple question, I would like to
Yes.
ask from
And
them. Yeah.
in yeah, beside this, we can explain them in the class like inductive method and a very easy method. We should learn them because they are very delicate. Their mind is not much developed actually. So if we go through complexity, if we go through complex method for teaching them, so they cannot understand properly. If we are
Yeah.
like give some example, like if we talk about like mobile, so what is this? Children always see this in your home, so they are very aware about the mobile. So we
Yeah.
if he's showing any picture like mobile, like this, like the remote, like anything we are going to teach them. So I would say that children, they are from the primary section, they are very innocent. And if we teach them like a inductive way, like a easy method, so they get very rapidly of about that thing. And real views are
Yeah.
also very important. Real environment they have to we have teachers should teach them because real environment is very necessary nowadays. I can see on my kids school, their his class teacher um, always go went for the children and going for the children as a garden area from his school. In there is a garden, a small garden, or she always like to go all the children in the garden and give some examples like related to plants, related to flowers, so that they can understand properly. So we are talking primary section students, so we have to aware this kind of small activities we should do everyday's life, especially for the teachers.
Yeah.
So this is somewhere it is benefited for them. And yeah, you should tell me about the spoken classes. Spoken, you carried the spoken classes. You
Yeah.
carry
Yeah. I
carry at
start.
your home. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Not at home, you
what
can say
method?
earlier,
By which
ma'am.
method you are teaching spoken classes?
Nowadays, only I'm providing online classes. Okay, nowadays I have left from other institute. Earlier, I have taught over there. Okay, you can say it is about to complete 2 years only. But that time I thought, so when I start offline classes, so definitely I'll feel comfortable. Okay, after some times. So then I took interview, and after that I got selected over there, and I started teaching. But I have to handle everything in my shop, you can say. So before festival time, I have left. from this job. Nowadays only I'm providing online classes. So online classes, you can say sometimes, ma'am, first time, like, I want to know about their low level. Okay, what is their level? You can say they know very well English, or they don't know, they are beginners. Some they have good fluency, some they don't have good command on grammar, you can say. Nowadays, ma'am, people, like, they feel bored while learning English grammar, I feel. So
Yes,
that is
yes,
why,
yes.
first of all, yeah,
They feel
even our
monotonous.
children
They
also.
don't, yeah, they don't
Yeah,
like grammar portion. Literally, they don't
yeah,
like.
yeah. But ma'am, some students, okay, they want to know, they want to learn grammar, you can say tenses, models, because they don't know. So sometimes,
Okay,
ma'am,
ma'am,
I'll
please
pick,
tell me one
I'll
question.
send them.
I would ask to one question from you related to spoken. How can we teach them tenses, 12 tenses? You know, there are 12 tenses in grammar, and how can we teach them easily in a easy way? So, what method do you suggest for them, for the beginner?
Okay, method, you can say, ma'am, for daily habits, okay, for universal truth. You have to, like, we have to use only present tense, simple present. Yeah, and for past tense, you can say, if people,
Sorry?
like, we,
Yes, yes.
like, make them understand. So tell me story, then they can use past tense. Yeah, in this way, we can teach them, I
Yeah,
feel.
you
Good
are right.
method or
And to
no.
feel them
Sometimes, ma'am,
by the real
just wait,
environment,
ma'am.
yeah,
Yeah.
in the
Sometimes,
real
ma'am, I'll
environment,
send
yes.
them pic.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'll send them pic, and they can create some sentences. Okay, and you can say sometimes daily habits or daily routine also. Daily routine, I'll give them daily routine. Please tell me in past tense. Tell me in future tense. Okay. In this way, they can create some sentences, or they can know. So, like, how to use in past, how to use in future.
Right, right. In real environment, you teach them like present tense, past tense, and future tense. We have to need some real examples for this kind of situation somewhere as because I feel I felt in my classroom when I entered in my classroom, and one day I taught tenses to my students. So this one or two examples I have to take in a real situation so that they can understand properly. If I'm talking about 10th standard student, they are not capable. Past tense, past perfect, and past perfect continuous, these two tenses bit difficult for the children, bit difficult. What would you say these two tenses regarding?
Yeah, you can say, ma'am, we are working upon our speaking part. Okay. So sometimes people, they don't want to learn, okay, properly tenses and something. Okay. By real situation, they want to learn, but they feel bored, okay, while tenses. So, ma'am, it's very difficult to learn.
But we follow
So
now
I feel,
real environment or real examples, though they never getting bored. They are taking interest for learning something new by the environment, by the real environment, I would say. So I have to make the role model in the class when you जैसे for example स्टेशन आने से पहले उसकी गाड़ी छूट चुकी थी. This is the example for the real environment. So I have to take two students from the I said that come two students outside from their place and come to the stage and make play a role by the when you are a passenger and you got late. So they by the small example, by the real example, they can understand somewhere, they can understand properly.
yeah,
So this kind of real environment is
yeah,
very
ma'am.
necessary for the kids or
Yeah.
higher secondary also. We cannot go
But
complex.
nowadays, ma'am, I'm providing classes for like only beginners, you can say, but they are homemaker and they are working. So they don't want to learn like two clauses like that, this kind of, okay. Only they want to focus on their speaking part. We
Yeah,
are habitual for our writing and reading part. You can say we, since childhood, okay, we worked upon these areas, but we didn't work upon our gray areas, like we are not able to speak in front of other. This is the problem they are also facing.
Yes,
Okay.
definitely. I resonate your statement because nowadays every people wants to improve their spoken. How
Yeah.
by hook or by crook, because it is out of actually in my eyes, when I started my channel in 2025, in the month of October, I started from scratch.